Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Safra Korea and hit the bell icon for regular notification. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we'll prepare a vegetable. This is brinjal and we are going to prepare brinjal fry. So this is a big brinjal and they come in 2 to 3 varieties, the green ones, and there's a smaller one and this is a big one. So there are many ways of preparing the variety of brinjals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this into thin slices and marinate it for some time and then fry it like the way fish is fried, so in a similar manner. And this gets oxidized very fast, so soon after cutting I need to put them in plain water so it doesn't get black, and not too very thin but medium thickness, fine slices. So this is the plain water and I'll be putting it in the water. Let the pieces not be too very thin and not too very thick, just medium thickness. And some portions are bad, so I'll be just cutting them off. This portion is bad, I'll just remove that part. I've taken some water in a small container, a small cup, and I'm going to add this one small size ball of tamarind in this and let it soak for some time, because we want tamarind water to marinate this. For the marination, we're going to add some ginger garlic paste. So don't forget to refer to the description box for all the ingredients which I have added, and you may skip it while watching this video. So for all the ingredients, it's all mentioned in the description box. So I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste and some finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. Fresh coriander leaves always adds to the flavor of any marination, but you can also add coriander powder. I'm going to add some kasuri methi. This is dry fenugreek leaves, methi. It's a little bitter, so not to add lot of quantity. Add some garam masala. Garam masala consists of all the spices which will give flavor to your cooking. You don't have to add all the condiments because everything is included in the garam masala. Plain red chili powder, which gives very good spiciness, it adds to its spice, and it depends on your liking whether you want it less or medium spicy. Most important and not to forget is the salt to taste. If we add all the ingredients and forget the salt, then the entire cooking is of no use. So the required quantity of salt. Add some turmeric powder, a little quantity of pepper powder, but if you prefer to skip this also, it's fine. just very minimum quantity I've added. Just keep squeezing the soaked tamarind so we can remove the tamarind water. Soak it for at least 15 to 20 minutes so it becomes soft. And add the tamarind water. Just mix all these ingredients well. Let it all become a homogeneous mix and it should be coated well, all the masala, so it should marinate well. I'm going to keep a dish below this plate so that all the excess water, it can drip down in this. So let it be little at an angle, a little elevated. It's been marinating for almost 20 minutes to half an hour, and now we are going to fry it. I've taken semolina, which is rava, and rice flour. So we're going to mix this and just coat it and fry. Keep the pan for heating and add some oil. I've added coconut oil and add sufficient quantity of oil. It's already heated up, so I'm just going to mix this and just one by one just give a coating of this. The rice flour makes it crispy, so I've added it. Add another one. And we'll see this, how many of these fit. So it has to be fried at medium to low heat. Let it take its own time, because at high flame the semolina, the rava, will get burnt and this brinjal will not be cooked. So only the outer coating will get burnt. So let it take its own time and let it fry on medium to low heat. Add some oil. And just let me look at if it's done. Keep it on medium only, medium low heat. And this is the exact color that you're supposed to get, lightly golden brown. Don't burn it and let it not be raw also. Add some oil. And to fry this brinjal, it requires lots of oil. So I would suggest and prefer, I personally prefer using coconut oil because it's a better alternative than vegetable oil. It has many health benefits. So I don't mind using more quantity of oil. It just requires now 2 more minutes to fry. So let me just check. I'll just remove it on a plate. And it's become nice and crispy. It's not soft because we have added rava and also rice flour. Add some more oil. And just coat it with this. Keep adding oil. Like I told you, this requires lots of oil. It's done. So let me just remove it. So here's the brinjal rava fry ready. So guys, don't forget to try out this recipe at least once, and let me know that how you like this recipe, and drop your comments below. And if you like this, then don't forget to share it with all your friends. This recipe will be very helpful and an addition to everyone's cuisine. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all regular updates. And my channel contains all mixed content. Besides making recipes and experimenting with some new recipes, I make DIYs, and also I give online classes. So subscribe to my channel for regular updates. Bye bye. I'll see you all in my next video.